Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can search for images using the Explore tool and create alt text for your images to help make your documents and presentations more accessible to those in need. So there's a new feature that has recently rolled out, and it's called Explore. And if you go to Tools and Explore, it'll open it up. Now, this is kind of a cool tool because one of the things I can do is I can search for information on the web. I'm going to go ahead and select mailbox. So here's a great mailbox. I like this one. When I click on it, it'll tell you what kind of a license it has. So it says, image is labeled for commercial use with modification. Only select images that you have confirmed for the license to use. So this is a great image. I'm going to use that. I'm going to go ahead and adjust it though because it's way too big. And I want to show you a couple things that's super cool about this new Explore tool. Because not only is it a great way to find images within your document, but it also will allow you to find images that are labeled for reuse and copyright free, and some other features that I really like. For instance, feature number one is when I click on this document, it automatically links back. Sorry, click on the picture. It automatically links back to where the image was taken. How cool is that? So that's super awesome. I even tested it in, in a mode where, it's only anybody with the link can view it. And I hover over it and it shows the resource to where this image was taken. The other kind of cool thing is I can also click on the image. I'm going to go ahead and copy the link, and while this image is still highlighted, I'm going to go ahead and insert a footnote. I'm going to go ahead and go image credit, and then I will paste that link. So not only is the image linking directly back to the website that I received it from, I can also easily create footnotes to cite the image. You can also do that with the websites, but we're not going to go through that today. The most important thing though is when you're designing, whether you're designing your presentations, whether you're designing Google Doc, you need to think about accessibility. It is much easier to make your documents and slideshows accessible while you're building them versus having to go back and reconfigure, re-edit those. So to make an image that's accessible and readable so that anybody, let's say you have somebody that has a disability with sight, you want to make sure that you are letting them know what this image is. And if they have a screen reader, it'll tell them what that is. So any image you have in a Google Doc, a Google slideshow, you should be able to right click it and go to alt text. Alt text, so I would just say picture of a postal mailbox. If it's pictures of students, you would say pictures of students. Give the person some idea of what that image is. Now, if your image is more of an infographic where you just can't have a one line kind of a description, you would add more details in the description area. If it's a bigger graph, like a graphic or a chart or infographic, so on and so forth. And then I click OK. And that's it. So again, to recap, check out this super cool Explore tool. It's pretty awesome. And the ability for it to auto link back to where you copy the resources. And also remember to right-click and alt text your images, whether they are in Google Slides or Google Docs. Thanks, and have a great day.